Good morning, students. Today in this class, so let us know about a supplementary reading that is A Great Martyr Ever Cherished. Okay, so martyr means one who serve his life for the sake of country. Okay, so about whom they have given, we often come to know from the newspaper accounts how our young soldiers aspire to live and die for our country. They are ready to sacrifice everything. Here is a profile of a young soldier who gave up his life at the age of 25. People live and die, but continue to live forever in the hearts of patriots. So read on to know and cherish the memory of such great souls. The sand, like life, slipped away forever as he continued to live on. So this is about a soldier who has sacrificed his life for the sake of the country. So enter the Hanifuddin household and a warm smile will beckon you to step right in. But that's all the smile can do as it beams from within the confines of a picture frame. A mere memory, painful and brave. The smile belongs to the 25-year-old martyr Lieutenant Hanifuddin. As you take a deep breath and try to avert the pain that comes from knowing of a young life cut short, you will notice a large picture of snow-capped mountain peaks of the Turtuk sector in Kargil, now called Sub-Sector Hanif in memory of Hanifuddin's bravery. So this is about Hanifuddin, Lieutenant General. So he is serving for our country as a soldier. So so the scene is they have entered to the Hanifuddin's home, and there was a warm smile in the picture of ಹನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಹನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್, ಸೊ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ತರ್ಟಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಹನಿಫುದ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹನೀಫ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಹನೀಫ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಡೆತ್ ಆಫ್ ಹನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್ಸ್. Perhaps Hanifuddin, or Khalifa as his friends called him, knew what he would be able to give to the nation. So Hanifuddin, their friends used to call him as a Khalifa, which probably explains why Hanifuddin, who hailed from a family of musicians, chose to join the army. So Hanifuddin is from the music background from his family, but he decided to become a soldier. Perhaps Hanifuddin also knew that life for him was short and so needed to repeatedly remind himself of his mission. One can only surmise from a flashcard found amongst his belongings which simply said, "We change lives." So Hanifuddin ಏನಂತ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ತುಂಬ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹನಿಫುದ್ದೀನ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Fate had ensured that Hanifuddin would battle with hardships from a tender age, and he had battled himself in a tender age ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದನೂ ಅವರು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. When he was just 8 years old, Hanif lost his father, who had been an artist associated with the National School of Drama. So he lost his father in his tender age only, and his father was an artist in the National School of Drama. Left to take care of 3 young boys. Hanif's mother, Hima Aziz, a vocal artist, would often have to leave Hanif and his brothers alone as she travelled with the performance wing of the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. So her mother, Hima Aziz, is a vocal artist, and he has to leave Hanif and his brothers alone because she has to earn for his family. Recalls Hima Aziz, I had a touring job and was out very often, and the kids became very responsible, getting up and getting ready for school without my having to tell them. I didn't have to tell them in so many words, but my going to work without excuses gave them the message that one's duty is the most important thing in life. So Hima Aziz has to leave their kids home alone, and she has to move for her job. But ಅದು ಏನೂ ಹೇಳ್ದಲೆ ಅವರು ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಆರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ವೈಲ್ ಹನೀಫ್ elder brother Nafisuddin went to on become a teacher and was at the J.D. Taylor School, New Delhi at the time of the tragedy. His younger brother took to composing music on his Casio. Hanif would often team up with him on the drums. So Hanif's brother went to become a teacher in the J.D. Taylor School at New Delhi, and his younger brother was playing a Casio, and Hanif would has to play drums. An introvert, Hanif began to make friends only by the time he was 11 years of age. So he started to mingle with the people at the age of 14 itself, 14 only. So ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿಯಾಗಿರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. He would often go out of his way to help people because that gave him a certain kind of joy. In fact, this was the quality his seniors recounted when they came to meet me after his death, explains his mother. So he always wants to help for the people, and he was able to reach out to all. Hima mentions that a 77-year-old gentleman who paid a condolence visit to Hanifuddin's house recalled how Hanif had approached him with some queries related to Sufism. So that ಆ ಒಂದು ರಿಲಿಜನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೂಫಿಸಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬರು ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. Hanif was a student of Kerala School in New Delhi and had applied to the army when he was graduating from Shivaji College, New Delhi. And he was a student of Kerala School, that is in New Delhi. And graduation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ he has applied for army. Yet Hanif didn't know much about the army. The only exposure my sons had was through me, as I had often gone to the forward areas on performances for the armed forces entertaining wing. So ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಹರ್ ಮದರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. However, 6 months into the Indian Military Academy IMA training, the gentle Hanif was a changed man. During those days, he used to write to me about how tough the training was. So, ಅಲ್ಲಿ training ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ he used to write to his mother that how tough was the training. I particularly remember him telling me that they had to take a Missouri bath at midnight. I supposed it was some kind of cold water bath at midnight, remembers Hima. Post-training, Hanif joined the 11th Rajputana Rifles and was posted at Jaipur and then at Siachen just prior to the Kargil War of 1999. So he was writing that at the midnight he has to take the cold bath, and after that he was posted to the Jaipur and then to the Siachen before the Kargil War, that was in 1999. Yet life for Hanif was always ekdam bindas. He dabbled in art, sketched very well, made beautiful cards out of waste materials, read a great deal and loved playing the drums. So his life was like a bindas, means he didn't care about much anything about the life. So our tumba interesting character, like he used to make beautiful cards out of the waste materials, and he loves to play drums, which is why the officers at the Raj Rifts, as the army terms the 11 Rajputana Rifles, made him get all his instruments from Delhi and form the music group now called Hanif. So one music troupe ne avaru create ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, and now that music troupe was called as Hanif. While there was not enough time to rise up the ranks as he had dreamed, another of Hanif's wishes did come true when the sub-sector was named after him. As a young officer, Hanif had once told his mother how a post, the Nana Singh post, had been named after a brave soldier. So ಹೇಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಅವರು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡೆತ್ ದೆ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಹೆಸರು ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹನೀಫ್ ಹೆಸರು ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So his bravery does life on in the air of the cold mountains and on the plains. A scholarship now exists in his name and his family has started a school in Kulu under the Hanif Foundation. So